Jungle.
Kembali ke Kompas Siang, saudara siswa
Video
SMP
kekerasan
negeri
antar
di
siswa
Malang,
Jawa
sebuah
Timur yang
kelas
diduga menjadi korban
korban
viral di media sosialnya
belakangan menjalani operasi
terjadi di SMA Negeri 1.
Wali Kota dan Kapolres Malang menjenguk korban di rumah sakit.
Dalam video tersebut tampak 3 siswa menggunakan baju pramuka terlibat perkelahian 2 lawan 1.
Pada
Seorang
Rabu
siswa
sore,
tampak
Wali Kota
dipegangi dan
Malang
dipukul
Sutiaji
secara
dan
brutal oleh
Kapolres
siswa
Malang
lain.
Jawa Timur AKBP
Korban
Agus melihat menjadi kondisi MS di ruang prosedur isolasi anak
Tak
rumah
berhenti
sakit
sampai di
Klaten.
situ, siswa yang
Rumah
semula
sakit pun melakukan pemerintahan pengunjung akan demonstrasi aturan jarak dengan tangan kanan korban.
Aksi brutal yang turut
15
disaksikan
menit
sejumlah
keduanya
siswa
berada di dalam ruang seusai menjenguk korban Sutiaji menyebut
sekolah
dan
SMA Negeri 1.
What is the definition of bullying actually? The definition of bullying, according to Komnas HAM, bullying is as a form for long-term physical or psychological violence committed by a person or group against someone who is unable to defend themselves in a situation where there is a desire to hurt or frighten people or make people depressed, traumatized, or depressed and helpless. The types of bullying, namely verbal bullying, physical bullying, mental or psychological bullying, and the last is cyberbullying. According to research by the Program of International Students Assessment, Indonesia ranks 5th out of the 78 countries as a country with the highest number of bullying cases among students. The research shows that 41.1% students in Indonesia admit to having experienced bullying. The rise of bullying in Indonesia has reached an alarming stage based on data compiled by the Komisi Perlindungan Anak Indonesia as an independent Indonesian institution and Federasi Serikat Guru Indonesia as a professional organization for teachers. In 2020, there were 119 cases of bullying, and then in 2021, there were 53 cases of bullying, and then in 2022, there were 229 cases of bullying, and then in January to September 2023, the number of bullying in education units has reached 23 cases.
The impact of bullying can create significant changes in behavior to both victims and offenders. The victims start to pull away from the family and friend and lack of self-confidence. Meanwhile, the offenders might experience changes in their personality. For victims, the effect of bullying can be devastating, such as humiliated, low self-esteem, psychological trauma, afraid to come to school, and can even lead to suicide. Meanwhile, for the bullying offenders, their action also have serious consequences, such as feeling guilty, regret, some cases, isolated from certain group that might affect the offender's life. There are also legal consequences that may await the bullying offenders. Bullying offenders can face consequences for criminal offense for insulting in the criminal law Article 310, beating in group, criminal law Article 170, physical, psychological, and sexual violence in legislation number 35 of 2014 about legal protections against child abuse. And then cybercrime, law number 11 of 2008 on electronic information and transaction. Of course, we must realize that the destructive cycle of bullying is lost to all of us. For victims, offenders, and the surrounding community, the impact can spread and widen the never-ending cycle of violence.
Kayaknya ini deh si cupu itu deh. Halo, baby lagi baca apa nih? Cupu banget sih. Rambutnya lepek lagi. Oh my god. Pakai kacamata. Oh my god. Ih, kasihan banget. Ih, kasihan. Guys, lihat deh. Cupu banget ya. Lihat deh. Oh my god. Pasti bentar lapor mama. Iya, betul tuh. Kasihan. Mana rambutnya nggak lepek banget. Iya. amit ya. Gimana kita patahin aja ini sama temen? Boleh tuh. Boleh ya cukup, boleh ya. Oh my god, bawa tas lagi. Pasti tasnya murahan. Beli di Shopee ya, gratis ongkir. Ayo, yuk.
As we can see together, that is one type of bullying, namely physical bullying. What is physical bullying? Physical bullying is one type of bullying where someone uses their body or an object to hurt or scare another person. Bully may also steal or damage the targeted person's property. There are several types of bullying such as hitting, pulling, punching, kicking, etc. According to Lee 2004, physical bullying is more than punching or kicking, which is direct form. It can assume indirect forms, such as taking one's possessions or damaging property. This is the real case of physical bullying, a case of bullying by students of SMP Negeri 2 Cimanggu Cilacap in September that went viral on social media. The police named two students with the initial MK, 15 years old, and WS, 14 years old, as suspects in the bullying case against the victim FF, 14 years old. This video shows the victim being abused by the perpetrators by hitting, dragging, stomping, and kicking him until he fell down. Meanwhile, he didn't resist at all. The perpetrators MK committed the assault because he didn't accept the victim's claim to be a member of a group called Barisan Siswa or Basis Group. MK is the leader of the Basis Group. The victim suffered severe injuries like shortness of breath and broken ribs, so he was referred to a hospital in Purwokerto. Until now, the victim's physical condition has improved, but he's still receiving psychological assistance to avoid his trauma and recover mentally.
Verbal bullying. Verbal bullying is a type of bullying that involves using words to hurt, threaten, or intimidate someone. Dan Orweus and Dorothy Spillage emphasize that verbal bullying can encompass repeat and intentional acts of humiliation, ridicule, threats, and demeaning comments. This often occurs systematically, can have a serious impact on psychological well-being of the victim. The types of verbal bullying is mocking, embarrassing others in public place, making negative comments about someone's physical appearance, and making discriminatory comments.
One of the case of verbal bullying is mocking type. This is the case in Banyuwangi. MR, students in Pasangaran District, Banyuwangi, West Java, was found dead by hanging in his home. MR chose to end his life by hanging himself above the door in his bedroom. MR experienced bullying due to being an orphan or not having a father, both at school and in the vicinity of his home. In this case, the folicide, the motive for suicide is being depression about the bullying.
Luciana in Patin and Hinduja 2015 defines cyberbullying as the transmission of electronic message either in writing, visual or image, video and oral communication with the deliberate intent to harm, torment or intimidate someone. Therefore, cyberbullying behavior is a form of aggression. Aggression is a behavior that deliberately wants to hurt other, both physically and psychologically. A 5th grade elementary school boy in Tasik Malaya, West Java died of depression after being bullied by his peers. The victim was forced to vacate and then record by using a phone cell, and the video spread in the social media. Social media practitioner from Community Content Hariko Wibawa Satria say, This case an act of cyberbullying or cyber violence that starts from the omission of previous bullying case and on the victim. The impact of the cyberbullying drops the victim mentality.
Mental bullying. Mental bullying is an issue that can have a very damaging impact on a person's psychological well-being. Many of us may not realize how serious the impact of such action can be. This is one of the real cases that occurred in the report from grobogan.kompas.com. As a public elementary school student in Wirosari District, Grobogan, Regency, Central Java, suffered from severe depression after allegedly being the victim of bullying by several of these classmates.
The 6th grade student is said to have received verbal and psychological bullying starting from the 4th grade of elementary school, or 2 years. Since then, the 12 years old boy's psychological condition has begun to be unstable, not like usual. He prefers to stay at home until he is afraid to meet someone. Although he has been treated many times, so far his mental health condition has not returned to normal, said RS mother.
Amidst the glitter of learning and laughter at school, there is a less bright reality. The phenomenon of mental bullying or psychological intimidation is rampant, affecting the emotional lives of students. From the visual age that we present, we can imagine that mental bullying is very cruel because it can make someone mentally down, depressed, even to suicide.
How to overcome bullying? The first, to talk to someone. Feel free to talk to friends, family, and teacher about your experience. Sharing the burden can help ease the feeling. The second, self-development. Focus on self-development and personal interest. This can both self-confidence and provide protection against the mental effect of bullying. The third, involving authorities. Don't be afraid to report instances of bullying the authorities, such a teacher or supervisor at work, against the can address the issue. The fourth, collaborate with others. Group or community support can provide collective strength or overcome to the mental impact of bullying. The last, educate people about the deserve of bullying behavior. Educational campaign can you understand the negative consequence of such action. So every step that we will take must require cooperation from all teacher, person, and authorities to create a safe and bullying free environment.
With our support and awareness, let's create a safer, more comfortable, and free intimidation environment.
To solidify this commitment, the government has established crucial guidelines to the degree of Minister Education, Culture, Research and Technology number 46 of 2023 concerning the prevention and handling of violence in educational institutions.
This decree is not just a rule, but a strong foundation to prevent and address bullying in schools and other educational units.
It is designed to protect students, ensuring they receive education in a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable environment.
Remember that every small action has a significant impact.
Let's stay united, keep talking, and continue taking action to ensure that bullying has no place in our lives.
Together, we can stop bullying and build a world where kindness and respect for differences are the primary foundation. Dare to say stop bullying! Stop bullying!